classical and artistic Mediterranean house architecture style. Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to the classical and artistic Mediterranean house architecture style. In this series, we delve into the captivating world of Mediterranean architecture, exploring its rich history, timeless design principles, and intricate details. From the sun-soaked coasts of Greece to the rustic charm of Italy, the Mediterranean region has been a constant source of inspiration for architects throughout the ages. Our videos showcase stunning examples of classical and artistic Mediterranean houses, highlighting their distinctive features and influences. From the sun-kissed shores of Greece to the charming villages of Italy, the Mediterranean region has long been renowned for its architectural beauty. In this series, we take you on a visual journey through the intricate details and breathtaking designs of classical and artistic Mediterranean houses. Immerse yourself in the elegance and charm of these architectural masterpieces as we showcase their distinctive features and unique characteristics. Marvel at the harmonious blend of old-world craftsmanship and modern sensibilities that define Mediterranean architecture. Our expert hosts provide in-depth insights into the historical and cultural influences that have shaped these architectural styles. Discover the inspiration drawn from ancient civilizations, the grandeur of Roman architecture, and the artistic movements that have left their mark on the Mediterranean landscape. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a homeowner seeking design inspiration, or simply curious about the allure of Mediterranean houses, our channel offers something for everyone. Join us as we unravel the stories behind these architectural wonders and uncover the secrets of their timeless appeal. Embark on a journey through the rich tapestry of Mediterranean architecture and let its beauty captivate your senses. Welcome to our channel, where artistry meets timeless design in the world of classical and artistic Mediterranean house architecture style. Join us as we take you on a virtual tour through these architectural wonders, exploring their elegant facades, ornate details, and harmonious integration with the surrounding landscape. Learn about the materials, colors, and craftsmanship that define Mediterranean architecture, and discover how these elements contribute to creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Our expert hosts share their knowledge and insights, discussing the historical and cultural significance of each architectural style and its impact on contemporary designs. Gain a deeper understanding of the influences from ancient civilizations such as Greece and Rome, as well as the artistic movements that have shaped the Mediterranean architectural landscape. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast, a homeowner seeking inspiration, or simply curious about the beauty of Mediterranean houses, this channel is the perfect destination for you. Get ready to embark on a captivating journey through time and explore the magic of classical and artistic Mediterranean house architecture style. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Join the conversation in the comments section and share your thoughts, questions, and favorite architectural gems. Let's dive into the world of Mediterranean architecture together.